Hello everyone, this is Autumn Hernandez with Realty One Group Iconic, and I'm here today with Gabe Lukish of Blink Lending. Thanks for joining us today.
Thank you for having us, Autumn.
I would love to hear about what Blink Lending does.
Thank you. We get that question often because we work in multiple spaces. Blink Lending is a licensed, bonded lending company, right? Mortgage company. We deal in the retail space. People, clients looking for their dream home. We service that space very adequately. That's about 50% of what we do. The other 50% is very investor friendly. We work in the private money, hard money space for the buy and holds or the fix and flippers. And then inside of that, about 50% of it is in the buy and hold category, which is also a long-term or institutional lending space for the buy and hold again.
Right, and in future videos, we're going to go a little bit more into depth about what that means, how that works, and things like that.
Awesome.
But just to clarify, he's not just hard money and investor friendly. He also does FHA conventional things.
Absolutely,
like that as well.
And we work with realtors. We work with clients looking for that again, that dream home.
Great, great. What would you say sets you guys apart from other lenders?
I think it's that versatility. Again, there's some misnomers about private money and hard money. I want to kind of elaborate a little bit, if you wouldn't mind.
Sure.
But that's really our versatility is where we are different. And being able to do the long-term lending is a huge asset to what investors are looking for. In the private money space, there's it could be termed as hard money as well. I want to go into a little bit of that. Private money is more peer-to-peer. That's, think of a relative or, a business partner, someone that is not typically in business for lending. Where hard money is definitely, think of a hedge fund or someone that is, or a group that is geared towards lending money.
Great.
The private side of it is very Wild West, as we like to say, as in it's a peer-to-peer, so the rules are made internally, and every deal can be a little bit different, right? We exemplify what the lender is looking for, our lenders are looking for. And so we pass that vetting, those guidelines on. Being that we're also licensed loan officers, a brokerage, we carry those same guidelines into our private money. So that, because exit strategies change all the time, as an investor knows, so being able to be versatile, being able to, this is a fix and flip, well, 3 months into it, guess what, I'm not gonna get what I thought for it, so let's convert that real quick into something long-term, and 2 years from now, let's reassess the situation, right? So being able to have that qualification up front, being able to take care of all that stuff ahead of time, we're able to cohesively move right into the next stage, whatever benefits the client, and it's a very client-driven scenario.
Wonderful. I am very much looking forward to seeing the numbers and the rundown in our next video. Thank you guys for joining us, and thank you for joining us as well.
Love it.
Thanks. Bye guys.